There lived a JCB in a countryside. One day, the JCB was going on a mud road across the farmlands. A truck also lived in the same village. It was carrying a full load of vegetables and was also moving across the farmlands. The truck was suddenly caught in mud. It was not able to move out of it. It was stuck there and worried. When the JCB was moving happily, it notices a truck being stuck in mud. It stops and looks closely at the truck. It was the same truck that once gave way for it on a narrow bridge. There was a narrow bridge on the road over a small river. The bridge was very narrow and only one vehicle can pass over it once. The bulldozer was crossing the bridge. When the bulldozer was halfway through the bridge, a small truck came in the opposite direction. The truck moved much faster than the bulldozer, as it was not big as the bulldozer. Both the vehicles came face to face and stopped at middle of the bridge.
Hello, dear truck. The bridge is too narrow for two vehicles to cross, and one of us have to leave way for the other.
Yes, my big brother, I do agree that the bridge is too narrow. What can we do now?
With so much weight, it's hard for me to go back. Can you go back and leave way for me? It will be a great help for me, and both of us can leave without any delay.
Don't worry, I will go back as it's easy for me to do it. And it was my mistake to enter the bridge when you were already trying to cross it. The truck then goes back and leaves way for the bulldozer to pass. The bulldozer, after crossing the bridge, stopped near the truck and thanked it for the help.
Thanks a lot, my friend. Your help is highly appreciated.
Both the vehicles smiled and drove in their ways.
Hello, my friend. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi, big brother. We once met on a narrow bridge.
Exactly. And you helped me pass the bridge. What happened to you now?
I was coming back from a farm after loading the potatoes. Suddenly, I was caught in the mud. Can you please help me?
Surely, my friend. Don't worry.
The JCB then gets near the truck. The truck finally comes out of the mud. Thank you so much, big brother.
That's fine, my friend. Actually, I am grateful for this opportunity to help you in return. Bye, my friend.
The truck thanks the JCB for the help and both proceed with their work happily. Dear children, we must learn the moral of gratitude from this story. The JCB remembered the help it received from the truck and helped it back. When we help someone in need, it will get back to us when we need help.
Subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us.